Hey there, welcome back to Wagonomics. From pets to predators, we cover it all. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Today, we're diving deep into the animal kingdom to explore the incredible intelligence of our planet's creatures. We're talking problem solving, tool use, complex communication, the kind of stuff that makes you question everything you thought you knew about animal minds. Get ready to be amazed as we count down the top 10 smartest animals in the world. You won't believe the things these creatures are capable of. Coming in at number 10, we have chimpanzees. No surprise here, right? These incredible apes share about 98% of their DNA with us, making them our closest living relatives. And that genetic similarity translates to some serious brain power. Chimpanzees are known for their exceptional problem-solving skills. They can use tools like sticks to fish for termites, and they've even been observed cracking open nuts with stones. Talk about resourcefulness, but their intelligence goes beyond just using tools. Chimps have complex social structures and communication systems. They live in communities, form strong bonds, and even engage in warfare. And if you thought that was impressive, get this, chimpanzees can even recognize themselves in mirrors. This self-awareness is a sign of a higher level of cognitive ability, something that's only been observed in a handful of species. So while they might not be building rockets anytime soon, chimpanzees are undoubtedly some of the smartest animals on the planet. Surfacing at number 9, it's the acrobatic geniuses of the sea dolphins. These playful cetaceans are renowned for their intelligence and complex communication. They use whistles, clicks, and body language. Dolphins are also incredibly social animals, living in pods with complex social structures. They can be trained to perform complex tasks and use tools in the wild. Stomping in at number 8, we have the gentle giants with incredible memories, elephants. These majestic creatures are known for their intelligence, their empathy, and their incredible capacity for learning. Elephants have remarkable memories. They can remember individuals, locations, and even events for decades. This incredible memory capacity is crucial for their survival in the wild, allowing them to remember water sources, migration routes, and even potential dangers. But their intelligence goes beyond just memory. Elephants are incredibly social animals, living in tight-knit herds led by a matriarch, the oldest and most experienced female. They exhibit complex emotions such as grief, joy, and even altruism. Elephants are also surprisingly adept at problem solving. They can use their trunks as tools to gather food, dig for water, and even defend themselves. They've been observed using objects in their environment to solve puzzles and obtain rewards. So, next time you think of an elephant, remember, their intelligence is as vast as their size. Taking flight at number 7, it's the cunning tricksters of the avian world, ravens. These birds are far more than just black feathers and a spooky reputation. They possess an intelligence that rivals some primates. Ravens are renowned for their problem-solving skills. They can solve complex puzzles, use tools to obtain food, and even plan for future events. In one famous experiment, ravens were able to figure out how to raise the water level in a tube to reach a treat by dropping stones into it. But that's not all. Ravens are also masters of deception. They've been observed pretending to hide food in one location while secretly stashing it elsewhere, all to outsmart their rivals. Talk about cunning. And if you thought their intelligence was limited to physical tasks, think again. Ravens have excellent memories and can even recognize individual human faces. They've been known to hold grudges against people who have wronged them in the past. So, the next time you see a raven, remember, They might be watching you just as closely as you're watching them. Oinking their way into the number 6 spot are the often underestimated intellectuals of the farm. Pigs. Yes, you heard that right, pigs. These intelligent animals are far more than just sources of bacon. Pigs are surprisingly smart. They have excellent long-term memories and can learn complex tasks quickly. They can even be trained to perform tricks, just like dogs. But their intelligence goes beyond just learning tricks. Pigs are incredibly social animals and form strong bonds with each other. They communicate using a variety of oinks, grunts, and squeals, and they've even been observed displaying empathy towards each other. And if you thought pigs were just couch potatoes, think again. They're naturally curious and love to explore their surroundings. They're also incredibly resourceful and have been known to use their snouts to dig, forage for food, and even escape from enclosures. So the next time you see a pig, remember, there's a lot more going on in those piggy brains than you might think. Soaring into the number 5 spot, it's the masters of mimicry, parrots. These colorful birds are famous for their ability to imitate human speech, but their intelligence goes far beyond just repeating what they hear. Parrots are incredibly adept at understanding complex concepts. They can learn to associate words with their meanings and even use language to communicate their needs and desires. Some parrots have even been known to invent their own words and phrases, but their intelligence isn't limited to language. Parrots are also skilled problem solvers and have been observed using tools in the wild to obtain food. They can solve puzzles, understand cause and effect, and even plan for future events. And if you thought parrots were just solitary show-offs, think again. They are highly social animals and form strong bonds with their mates and flock members. They communicate using a complex system of vocalizations, body language, and even facial expressions. So, the next time you encounter a parrot, remember, they're not just mimicking, they're thinking. Inking their way into the number 4 spot, it's the masters of disguise with a surprising intelligence, octopuses. These cephalopods are often considered to be the most intelligent invertebrates on the planet, and for good reason. Octopuses possess incredibly complex nervous systems, with more neurons than a rat. Their intelligence is distributed throughout their bodies, with each arm capable of acting independently. These cephalopod geniuses are renowned for their problem-solving skills. They can navigate mazes, open jars, and even solve puzzles to obtain food. They've been observed using tools in the wild, such as coconut shells for shelter, and even rocks to defend themselves. But their intelligence goes beyond just tool use. Octopuses are masters of camouflage, able to change the color and texture of their skin to blend in with their surroundings in the blink of an eye. They can even mimic the movements and behaviors of other animals. So, next time you see an octopus, remember, you're looking at an alien intelligence right here on Earth. Bounding into the number 3 spot, it's our furry best friends, dogs. These loyal companions have been by our sides for thousands of years, and their intelligence is a big part of what makes them such incredible companions. Dogs have an uncanny ability to understand human emotions and communication. They can read our facial expressions, interpret our tone of voice, and even learn the meaning of hundreds of words. But their intelligence goes beyond just understanding us. Dogs are incredibly adaptable and can be trained to perform a wide range of tasks. From guiding the blind to detecting drugs and explosives, dogs use their intelligence to help us in countless ways. And let's not forget their problem-solving skills. Dogs are renowned for their ability to find creative solutions to challenges, whether it's figuring out how to open a door or retrieving a toy from under the couch. So, the next time you give your furry friend a scratch behind the ears, remember, you're petting a genius. cawing their way into the number 2 spot. It's the feathered masterminds of the urban jungle crows. These birds are often seen as pests, but their intelligence is nothing short of remarkable. Crows are renowned for their problem-solving skills. They can use tools to obtain food, solve complex puzzles, and even remember the faces of people who have wronged them. But their intelligence goes beyond just individual smarts. Crows are incredibly social animals and live in complex societies. They communicate with each other using a variety of vocalizations, and even have been observed holding funerals for their dead. And if you thought crows were just scavengers, think again. They've been observed engaging in a behavior called anting, where they rub insects on their feathers, possibly to deter parasites. This behavior suggests a level of self-awareness and understanding of hygiene that's truly remarkable. So, the next time you see a crow, remember, you're looking at a bird with a brain power that rivals some primates. Sneaking into the number 1 spot, it's the often misunderstood champions of intelligence, rats. Yes, you heard that right. Rats. These rodents might not be everyone's cup of tea, but their cognitive abilities are undeniable. Rats are incredibly intelligent creatures with exceptional memories and learning abilities. They can navigate complex mazes, learn to associate cause and effect, and even exhibit empathy towards their fellow rats. But their intelligence goes beyond just laboratory experiments. Rats are highly adaptable and have successfully colonized a wide range of habitats, from sewers to rainforests. They are resourceful, social, and incredibly adept at problem solving. Rats have even been known to outsmart humans. They can learn to avoid traps, recognize poison bait, and even develop resistance to certain rodenticides. So, the next time you see a rat, remember, you're looking at an animal with a brain power that rivals some of the most intelligent creatures on Earth. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. Let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. From problem-solving ravens to empathetic rats, the animal kingdom is full of surprises. These incredible creatures challenge our understanding of intelligence and remind us that we share our planet with some truly remarkable minds. Until next time, stay curious, stay kind, and keep celebrating the amazing animals that share our world.